We travel with 6 trucks, sometimes 4, sometimes 2, and some small villages we have only 1 truck and 1 jeep. Everybody needs help, and we are most focusing for the more removed and far place, far from city, far from main road. So they are not getting help, very difficult to get help. So our target is like these villages. We got an idea that we produce a tin roof, and then the family, they will prepare base structure by the bamboo or trees. So at the moment, I guess very important to help for people to have at least roof, and then to eat something, like not only one day, but at least for 20 days, 1 month, to make sure they have something to eat, especially who stay in village. Sometimes we are transporting things, and some place you have to bring things for 3 hours by walking and 5 hours by walking. It's like that. So this area is very important to focus. Make sure they have at least 10 days or at least a week they have some food to eat, and they can have some rooftop, because if you don't have rooftop, then even you have food, there is not place to put, because this is especially heavy monsoon is coming. And for future, very important to take care of education system, how to develop, we have to think, and also a lot of village clinic are destroyed fully, so they don't have even temporarily medicine or to clean their wound. For future, we really have to care about health and education part, and I'm also planning to set up a school who lost their parents, like that part. And really there is a lot of things to do, and I like to do school project for longer project. And all this difficult time we have to face for help for others, so always they are with me, and I'm really thankful for all of you. Thank you.